Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome to another episode of Apex Seal Detonator. Just arrived freaking at the Mazda dealership, Browns Plains, freaking for RX7 night. Oh, I know that car. So yeah, this is a pretty good setup, eh? Like,
I'm just gonna let it run for a while. I want to get the racer and the brake and then a couple of the toys because I'm not happy like
convertible FC. Awesome, guys. That's cool. Oh, the bikes are parked next to the 8. You know why? Because it sounds like a freaking motorbike, man. That's why. Nice. Oh, we got Matt's car here. I can see a Pioneer subwoofer in the back there, eh? And this is series 4 motor. Yeah. Cool. Nice. So anyway, guys, that's it. It's the next morning. That was at the, I don't know if I specified at the start of the video, but it was at the dealership at Browns Plains, Mazda dealer. A few cars turned up. there was a variety as well, other odors there. But anyway, short and sweet this one. Keep a lookout for the RX8 night that I'm setting up. Me and a few other people will be doing that. So until the next time, have a good one. Keep on brapping. Catch you later.
So far from humans, evolution